So our auto vend sell new car. Okay, you have case new car, second hand car, new car probability 0.4. So also another case automatic car 0.1. So the sales of new and second hand car are randomly distributed throughout a week. So for a particular week, the company sell 20 cars. Find the probability, how many cars here? So find the probability number of cars. Number of cars, discrete or continuous? Discrete. So it might be binomial, it might be Poisson. But you can see it sell 20 of cars. You have sample already. So obviously this is binomial. So X, write your distribution, X, number of what? New car. Number of new car. So X distributed binomial, sample 20, situation of new, probability of new 0.4. So for the first question, at most, probability at most. At most, tukar jadi simbol matematik, kurang sama, less than equal 5. So we read from table. We are going to read 1 minus px greater equals to 6. So read your table. What's the answer? N, just now N, 20, 0.4, so N 20, 0.4. Page 7, okay, 20, 0.4. Okay, the reading of 6, the reading of 6. So the reading of 6 here, 8744. Question number 2, how many new car here? How many new car? Question number 2, at least 11. At least more than equal 11. So when we have more than equal 11, we read the table straight away. Reading of 11. Reading of 11. 1275. Okay, done. Question B, what they ask? Are they going to change the story? Question B, during 3 months period, okay, they changed the story already. 200 cars are sold. Use suitable approximation to find new car. So number of new car. But for question 2, it's not talking about new. It's talking about automatic car. So for the first situation, we still X. Quantity kita masih lagi X. Number of new car, you can see. We want less than 85 number of new car, but distribution sample is 200. New car 0.4. So when you see this kind of distribution, firstly, we notice that the first condition n greater than 50 already. Second condition, NP 200 times 0.4 confirm more than 5. 80 more than 5. So we need to change to normal, which is 80. What's the variance here? Variance NPQ 80 times 0.6, so 48. Okay, Okay, so then come back to the number of new car here. Probability, you want less than 85 new car. So start with our step. We know that we start from binomial case, then we change to normal, then we need to standardize it so that we can draw and get the answer from table. So binomial to normal, CC, boundary this thing, make it continuous, make it decimal. So less than 85, less than. So 85 is not involved. Boundary can be start sebelum 85. So 84.5. Then dah jadi normal dah. So kita jadikan dia standard. 84.5 minus mean sini 80. Hati-hati sini variance. Square root 48. So you get the exact score. .65. Then we draw 0.65 at positive side, less than that, this area. So from table, how we get this area? 1, we take overall 1 minus hujung ekor sini dia. So our next step for table, we will going to take 1 minus ekor 0.65. Okay, so we read out our normal table 0.65, 0.65, 25, 7, 8. Alright. So still for 200 car, but it's not talking about new. For second question, they are talking about automatic. So distribution dia lain. Keadaan dia bukan lagi new car, keadaan dia automatic car. Automatic car adalah 0.1. So for B2, so it will be Y, number of automatic car. So Y distributed binomial, sample 200, automatic car 0.1. So same situation, you can notice that we need to change to normal. Because N more than 50, NP it is 20 more than 5. So NP 20. Variance NPQ okay, normal distribution. So how many automatic car? 12. 12 means exactly 12. Dia tak ada at least more than. So maksudnya P quantity dia exactly 12. So we start from binomial. Again, we change to normal. Then we have to standardize drawing to get table and answer. How to change to normal? when y is equal to 12 ni. Kalau discrete dia satu saja, boundary dia 11.5 dengan 12.5. Okay, so same procedure we will repeat. Minus mean to change minus mean 20 over standard deviation 18 square root, tukar jadi z. So make sure your decimal 2 decimal. Z score kita 2 decimal saja. Okay, pundaran rounding sini 2 decimal saja. Cookies negative 2, negative 1.77 this region. Macam mana baca table? Baca echo besar sini. Echo besar tolak echo yang kecil sini. Bahagian sini. Maka echo besar 1.77. Negatif 1.77, tapi kita baca yang positif. Echo yang hujung sini 2. So Z2. 1.77 Z2. 1.77 ini Z2 ini 228.